Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We picked up another radio controlled car. This is the Adventure Force Mustang Mach 1 1/24th radio control, 2.4 gigahertz, 100-foot range. Wow, up to 45 minutes. Wow. Well, let's open this up and see what we can do with it. Lots of tape here. There we go. Let's see if we can get this out of here now. Here's our manual. Well, it's not really a manual, it's an instruction sheet. Shows you how to put the batteries in. Tells you a little bit about it. 3 AA, 2 AA, okay. Says it runs for 45 minutes. I don't see how long it takes to charge it. The vehicle is equipped with 2.4 technology, which allows up to 6 vehicles to be raced at a time. Wow. Well, let's see what we can do here. See, there's your transmitter. Your car has a hole in right here and right here, like that. Okay. There we go, got the car out. Alright. Get this all out of the way here right now. There's my batteries over there, you heard them. Transmitter. Doesn't take a screwdriver, looks like. This says push it open. Yes, it does, right there on the side. Watch what you're doing, Wayne. Whoa. They must use an electric screwdriver to put that in the first time. Because, man, it's tough to get out. Alright, now push that off. It takes 2 AA batteries, so let's be sure you get them in the right way. The negative end goes to the spring, okay? Put the back on. Screw it down. We don't want to lose the back while we're driving the car. Okay, there's your transmitter. Car. Yeah, there's a screw down right there. There's always a screw down on these battery covers. And let's see if we can get this off. Like that. Okay. Takes 3 AA batteries. Remember the direction, negative to the spring. Okay, let's put this back on right here. Push it forward, put our screw back in it. Okay. Hey, like my screwdriver. Came with a pack of Duracell batteries. Okay, there's a trim control right here if you need to adjust the steering because it's not going straight. Here's an on-off button right here. Okay, turn that on. Okay, it's in the floor. We're going to get it down there and race it, so let's get down there and go. The bottom of your car, there's your on off switch right there is off. That's on. Transmitter. It has, looks like 2 speeds. This is forward. This is look like super forward right there, the fast speed. So we're going to put it down on the floor. Here we go. Let's hit that fast speed. Whoa, it is fast. Hit it again, see what happens. Whoa! Hey, that's a pretty good little spin around there, wasn't it? There's a good spin. Whoa! Look at that thing go. Good little spin in there. Whoop. All right. Well, you see how he runs, okay? And you turn the switch off so you don't run the batteries down. But we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these under the playlist called Radio Control Toys. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video, like cars or baseball card packs or whatever. We'll video them, get them up here for you. If you'd like to leave a donation, there's links in the description below to Patreon and PayPal. Also, check out the new thanks button. That's a one-time thing. You can click on that and thank us like that. And we'll see you next time.